Hello and welcome to Quicksilver. Once again, if you've been here before, if you've never been here before, hello. We have some cool cars in the lot today. Ferrari 812 GTS. I go through a tunnel in that. That's coming out on YouTube soon in a video. Insane. Even louder than the 812 possibly is a lovely 1991 yellow Testarossa. I mean, it's pretty obvious it's yellow, I know that, but have to mention it. Absolutely stunning, really cool retro ride. That's actually a mountain biker's car, quite well famed mountain biker Bernard Kerr. And he wanted it loud, and he got exactly what he wanted because it's incredibly loud. Behind me, or behind you, behind me, I don't know, which way do we go, is a relatively new Range Rover SVR. And this system that we put on is obviously brand new. Well, it has done a few miles. It needed some tweaking by our very experienced and skilled technician, Ben. So in a second or two, Ben's going to be taking it out just to road test it. I might jump in with him, but either way, we're going to keep rolling when it starts up so you can hear what it sounds like. Ready whenever you are, Ben. Well, I was going to say that the valves are open before we revved it, but I don't think that was really necessary after that demonstration. Big difference when valves are shut to valves open. So you can have a relatively civilized journey, or you can go absolutely bat crazy. So yeah, this is amazing. I think Ben's going to go out on it. I'm going to jump in because I like the sound of this. That sounded alright, didn't it?
Sounds nuts. Yeah, it's kind of absurd, really.
Yeah.
You haven't had one in for a while, and I forget how good they sound.
Yeah.
You don't get in the full-size Range Rover. You don't get it in the Vela, all the pops and bangs. You don't get it in the F-Pace SVR. Seems to be the Range Rover Sport SVR seems to have.
Really, bang, 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 bang.
Yeah. It's quite dramatic.
Are you going out?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm coming with you. Ooh. This little snippet of video will demonstrate what it's like to be within one of these fabulous vehicles, and if you're a proud owner of one, you can then know what it's like to live with. Obviously it's an SUV. But it's really like a proper sports car.
It is, it's much firmer than the other Range Rovers.
Yeah.
It's much firmer. The steering's a bit better. It feels a little bit smaller. But
It's an angry car.
valve shut.
So yeah, this is valve shut on the QUICKSILVER app, and this is very civilized for any road car. So it is a massive contrast between what you can have with this system on this car, which is pretty incredible.
Yeah, absolutely, and it's still present, so it's still louder overall. The system is, so you get a much more sportier note when you're just driving around town, but it's not at all offensive.
No, and you don't buy an SVR, you know, to be completely discreet. It's an SVR.
Absolutely, yeah. And then with the valve open, we're back in ballistic, crazy mode. Pops and bangs, loads of drama. Yeah. So it's Jekyll and Hyde, really. You get best of both worlds.
That Aston Martin's got a system on it.
It does, the one we just drove past. Yeah,
they're everywhere.
Yeah.
We're everywhere. Well, I think we've covered everything. If not, let us know. Otherwise, the links are all down below. You can contact us, and we can answer your questions. These systems are ready, available.
In stock, ready to go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Never work with children, animals, or exhaust technicians.
That was a very moment.